Hey guys, Dan Frio, the Mortgage Update. And today we're going to go over a credit repair company that I would highly suggest. So again, I hope you like the videos that I have. I have about 200 of them right now, so please check them all out. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe at the bottom, and let's get to it. So if you go to my website, it's creditscoresandmore.com, which is right here. And I created this system to help. I am a mortgage broker in the Chicagoland area, have been for over 30 years. And there's two reasons why most people cannot get a mortgage. Or there's two reasons why a lot of people can't get a credit card or a loan or have high rates on their insurance or even possibly not even be able to get a job because of the credit. So what I try to do is a DIY, do-it-yourself approach to help fixing or I won't even say fixing, getting your credit information, and then from there monitoring that information. I have a story for you, and I'm working with a client right now, and she was calling to refinance her home, and I pulled her credit. I sent her the application back when was going over all her, basically her full application, and on there was 4 creditors. She had no idea who they were. The odd thing is they were taken out of it about a year ago, and they're paying on those accounts. The payments are very well. So most of the time when you get hacked, somebody will use your credit and run up some bills and then not pay it. So that was kind of an odd situation. But why I bring that up is she had 4 accounts on her credit she had no idea about. So I created this system. Basically it's a 4-step process. Here's a way to get your free credit score, and that is a Vantage score. So if you don't know what a Vantage score is, please go back to one of my previous videos, and I explained to you the difference between Vantage score and your FICO score. The next is, how do you get your real credit scores on from the vendors or the credit agencies that us, the lenders, use, and your employer uses, and the credit card companies use, and your insurance company uses to determine if you're going to get the loan or if, what your premiums are on that insurance. And then from there, I recommend 2 highly qualified credit repair companies. One is I'll say an affordable situation that doesn't, dig in really, really deep, and they have all kind of bells and whistles, monitoring and alerts, and you can pull your credit once a month and things like that. Then the 4th system is basically their goal is to help you fix your credit. So steps 2 and 3 are the 2 that I would highly recommend. But today, so that's on the website that I have. But today I want to go over an alternative to number 3 and 4. So what I want to go over today is a system called the Credit Pros. And I'll leave a link below so you can get direct access to this system. But this company does a lot of things. And again, it's an alternative to my steps 3 and 4 in my on my website. So you could go to, just click below, and in the comments, and I'll have a link that takes you right here, so you can go through all the services they have. So instead of boring you with a lot of the stuff that you can find out on your own, let's just hit a couple highlights on this thing, and and then I'll go through. I also want to let you know or go over some review findings that I was able to pull up online. I've recommended some clients to this company. I haven't gotten a lot of feedback yet from them. So I went in and I will post a video down the road about this, giving you updates on how they're doing. But the reviews on this company are phenomenal. So, here's some of the things that they'll offer you that's kind of, a little unique than a lot of companies. But one of the things that they're highly prized on or praised on is their websites. So this is a lot of the things that they can do or will do for you. But again, where they get a lot of their praise is the ease and the use of the website. Plus, they kind of talk the talk and walk the walk. So, again, and I found that through a lot of the reviews I've been able to find. So let's go through one of the reviews that I was able to pull up. Here's a bunch of clients who just recently went through and posted. And you could see the dates are fairly new as well. So I didn't go back years from now and pulled up, data. But you could see just this alone, August, you got 4, 5, 6 recommendations in August. Everything is 5-star rated. Awesome. That's what you want to see. Again, I'll put my personal testimonies on here from the clients I refer over there in the coming months. But this is a great alternative to some of the other companies out there. Here's another review system that I was able to pull up. You can go through here and see the reviews that they have here. And again, they're recent reviews and they're great reviews. So that's what you're looking for. So a lot of the credit repair companies, you get what you pay for. And I don't know the exact cost of this service. I think it is under $100 a month. You might say, well, that's absurd. That's really expensive. Well, let's say you use a company, it's $100 a month, and you use them for 3 or 4 months, and they do what you need to do. In most cases, within 90 to 120 days, you should see, some pretty big impacts on your credit. However, you have those companies that will charge you, we're the cheapest in the industry. It's $49.95. Well, if it takes them a year to get you cleaned up, you spent more money in that year than you would have on that 3 or 4 months of really seeing action. And when you're reaching out to these companies, you don't really want, you might, but you're not really looking for help a year down the road. There's a reason why you're looking for this now. My clients, they're calling me because they're looking for a mortgage. They want to buy very soon, in some cases in the next 30, 60 days. So I also have videos of little tricks you can do to kind of bump up your credit scores fairly quick, usually within 30 days, up to, in some cases 100 points. So if you need more in-depth help, this is a great alternative to some of the websites out there. And again, I will post the link below so you can have direct access to this system, and I hope you find it very useful. So again, my name is Dan Frio, the Mortgage Update. You can reach me. There's an easy way to get a hold of me. It's Dan, DAN .frio, FRIO @gmail.com. Also, go to my website here. It's creditscoresandmore.com. You can go down below and you can find a lot of information down through here. I have YouTube videos. I have blogs along with the website. You can check me out on Facebook and all the social media here, the YouTube channel, the LinkedIn's, the Facebook. You can check out blogs that I post. Usually try to get in there once a week as well as a video. So again, I hope you find this useful. Please put in the comments below if you have any additional questions or help that I can give you. And God bless. Have a great day.